In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish a Google Calendar event and get its direct link or export file. First, open Google Calendar in Chrome so you can follow the process exactly as shown. Once your calendar is on screen, look at the calendar grid and click on any event block you want to work with. This opens the event preview where you can access a few extra options that are easy to miss if you've never used them before. From that preview window, click the three-dot icon. This opens a small menu with additional actions for the event. In that menu, choose Publish Event. This is the option that lets you create a shareable version of the event that can be opened directly on the web. It's especially useful if you want to send someone a clean event page rather than asking them to search for the event inside your calendar. After you click Publish Event, look for the box labeled Link to Event. Inside that box, you'll see a text string. Go ahead and copy that full link. This is the direct web click link for the event, and it's the version you can paste into a message, document, website, or anywhere else you want people to be able to open the event quickly. Make sure you copy the entire string so the link works properly when someone clicks it. Next, return to the event's Edit View screen panel. This is the full editing screen for the event, where you can manage more detailed settings. At the top header area, click More Actions. This menu gives you a few advanced choices related to the event. From there, select Publish Event if you want to access the publishing option again from the edit view. Depending on what you need, you can also choose Export to download the raw.ics file. That file format is useful if you want to import the event into another calendar app, attach it to an email, or keep a portable copy of the event outside Google Calendar. The raw.ics file contains the event data in a standard calendar format, which makes it widely compatible across different platforms and devices. That's the full process. Open the event, use the three-dot menu to publish it, copy the link from the link to event box, then return to the edit screen and use more actions if you want to publish again or export the event as an ICS file. If you're sharing events often, this can save time and make distribution much easier.